Hi everyone, my name is Tinson Lamb. Welcome to my Tinson Talks channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin White Ranger helmet. Now, in a previous Tinson Talks video, I unboxed the Red Ranger helmet, so I will link that above somewhere. If you'd like to check out this bomb jacket, I will also link it up above somewhere. So I bought this at GameStop for $79.99, and I'm happy I found it because I couldn't really find it online anywhere that was available. It wasn't able to ship to my house. I'm kind of pissed because the box is low-key bent. Like, what is this? But the person said that it came like that. I'm not really the person that gets angry about bent boxes or whatever. As long as the product inside is pristine, then we are good. So yeah, let's unbox this and hope that the helmet is pretty good and that it can fit my head, just like the Red Ranger helmet. Ooh, okay. I'm excited. Okay, so here we have helmet. Okay. Check it out, everyone. Ooh. Okay, I thought that was a dent. Okay, and here's the inside of the helmet. If it's just like last time, you can adjust this strap so that you can fit this helmet onto your head. Here's how you open it. Open sesame. And I just had to adjust it, and hopefully this fits. Ooh, yeah, it fits well. Check it out. Yeah, and I can see pretty well through this visor. No problem at all. I can even breathe. No problem. Yeah, this is cool. Hey, okay. I'm ready for some cosplay, everyone. And let's see how it looks with the stand on it. Here we go. So overall, I am pleased with this product. I am a little bit sad about the box, but I am sure that if you get yours, that it will not come in this janky looking scratched up way. If you are a Power Ranger fan, I definitely recommend this product. And I hope you have a fantabulous day. Please click subscribe to see more videos, and see you later.